Okay, guys, we're back at milling today. This is what we did yesterday. I had to cut down a couple of slabs for someone who purchased them he's going to build a kind of like a surround for a grilling area. And then I cut this other log up that I'm going to use for charcuterie boards. And I got one pine done, and we're going to put some more pine on here so that as we bring this trailer home, we're not half empty. So I've got a couple logs here. These are just a couple small logs. I'll probably get one, might get one 6x6 out of each. And then I got, not those big ones there, but I got some other ones that we're going to do as well, time permitting. So hope you enjoyed today's video and follow along. Thanks, guys. was gonna put this on the on that, but I'm gonna place it on the rollers. This is a banana shaped log again. So I'm gonna leave this one in the clamps here for now. Okay guys, well it's getting dark here, so we're gonna close up for the day. But most of these on the right I had those, and some of the 2x4s are new today. So we thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed today's video. And there isn't going to be much more milling this year. We're running out of daylight, running out of year. Have a great weekend. Thanks guys.